We have some exciting news that just couldn't wait till our next episode. So here is a special announcement. We all know that great social media marketing is key to a successful business and brand. Our all-in-one content planner will help you stay on top of all your content across your platforms all in one place. You know how much we love a planner, and this is why we have brought out our 3rd edition. You can access your strategy, goals, analytics, and more from each platform, as well as a massive content bank to help you keep track of everything you need to create and repurpose great content. Keep your head clear and your content organized with our social media marketing planner. Included inside is goal setting, trackers, ideal client profiling, content analysis, content planning, marketing funnels, content pillars, insights and reflection, hashtag research, and so much more. The list goes on and on. Our planner is now on sale for pre-order, ready for smashing your business from September. All the information on how to pre-order your planner and find out more is in the link in the show notes. Have a lovely day, and we will see you on the next episode of the WedPro podcast.